Hello everyone, I'm Rafa from Etherspot SDK, and I'm here with my colleague Kieran, who's going to explain to us all the benefits.
Multi-chain greatness.
Multi-chain
Absolutely.
greatness. All right. Tell us a little bit about Etherspot SDK, please. Kieran.
So, the Etherspot SDK is simply your one-stop SDK for multi-chain support. We live in a world in this day and age where multi-chain support is hard for app developers to integrate, because every day there's a new blockchain, there's a new layer 1 and layer 2 solution, and also every man and their dog seems to have a blockchain today. And unfortunately, this has had a negative impact on people developing decentralized applications, because more and more code is required to be able to navigate between all the blockchains from any sort of dApp that you might want to build. So what Etherspot does, Etherspot makes it easy to go multi-chain using one SDK, and it is beautiful. It is beautiful. We handle transaction batching straight out of the box. Instead of something that would be 100 lines of code, it's probably going to be about 5 lines of code using the Etherspot SDK. We removed the need for RPC switching, removed the need for MetaMask. You can all have it done and run inside your code with just a few lines of code. And it's a quality of service thing. We have a built-in relayer for all the chains. We handle all the infrastructure for you. We abstract all that complexity away from you as a developer, or a product manager, or whoever you might be, and we bear the brunt of that, and we manage all that for you. All you need to do is focus on building your app and making it great, making it multi-chain.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Kieran.
anytime.